Wait, I know that you're afraid, but it'll be okay if you just stay with me. And we can run from here, and we can disappear, and they won't find us where we are going, dear. So baby, hold on to me, 'cause I know I can make you believe in something that only we can see. Oh, so baby, hold on to me, hold on to me.
Good morning. It's a new day. But I work today with my cream head. Honestly, you know, me think about it. I mean, I say it doesn't matter me to me here. I just always leave if you comb my ear, unless me probably I wear wig. I take my time and deal with it. Or like this morning, I was in a rush. At this morning, we double supply people. Like this morning, I woke up like 5 o'clock, and yeah, I got it done. And I had to leave home to come to work here in St. Mary. At I left home at about 6:25 or somewhere there. So I'm hungry right now. Did I had much to eat for breakfast? So I'm going to show you one of my lunch bag. My lunch bag kind of pack up today. So I'm going to show you what's going on in my lunch bag. Remember to subscribe if you haven't. Like the video. Leave a comment down below in the comment section. Share with a friend. Yeah. Let's grow this channel. We're on the way to 2K. Alright, I'm going to show you my lunch bag now. If anybody out there want to sponsor me one lunch bag, but I appreciate it. This is a pink lunch bag, but because I wasn't using it for a while, look at it. It has triple answer. So sponsor me if you can. Why my bag now pull? Hold on there. Alright, so I have cream crackers. Me have my crackers. I have bun. I just cut it from home. I never have a Ziploc bag, so I'm just put it in there like this. I have cheese. I have cool fruit. I have chicken left over in this from yesterday. So yeah. So I got to go on pan what now go on today. My math is done because I'm really not sharing this space with anyone. If you guys see, I'm here alone in this room. Me, empty, mask down. So I'm hungry. So I'll go ahead and warm up one half of the bun and cheese, because I feel like I want to have bun and cheese, but I want it to be warmed. So it's actually the first meal I want bun and cheese. So it's like an experiment. So I'm gonna do half of it. I'll let you guys know how that tastes. Here what now, people made me fufu, so forgot that there's no light here. Go down atop the bun and the cheese, plug in microwave, and I wonder what really are going for like 15 seconds. I puzzle it, you know. Forget to send the light in there, so I just have to eat it regular. So just have to eat it regular. So yeah. Alright guys, I wonder if it's beyond anyone's will to do what I'm gonna do with you. I don't think so, but I'm just gonna share some stuff with you. Some, you know, little ties. I know they pick them look on them as ties. I'm not look on them as a project. So they were supposed to make hair transportation, water transportation, clock and book. Alright, so I don't have everything here, but some person carrying some today. I'm gonna show on. Alright. So yeah, let me show you. So this right here, so creative, is supposed to be a plane. It's made out of a bottle, and you show them do. Just put the cardboard in between it, glue it down center left. What they could have done though, could have probably color these to make it more creative or something, or get out a picture of a wing and paste on it. And then this is like, you know, and you this I'm gonna give this full mark, or probably a little bit less for a full mark because a lot color, but it's very creative. A boat, regular paper boat. I told them that they could have done stuff more done more creative, because what I could have done was just to get like a paper, like, you know, people like this color it like looking like water, and paste it on it so the boat would be in the water. That would be super creative, and like color or paint this paper. That would be very good. And a clock. You know, a clock make also. This one them just tie the card and of the and them. Yeah, this is one of the nice spot boats. School and picnic work. Alright, so other plane you know. Is a plane here? Is this a plane here? Nobody can go on. See the shoo and see the wings them. This is nice. The wings are flexible because you know when plane are ditched down, the wing go down sun and it come over a wing. So this is not bad. And these are 5-year-old students we're talking about, so you know. So other clock here. Other clock here. Not bad. And alright, so one boat you know. This now I have nothing in it, but this is one of them thing the boats, the fisherman boat, you know? Then just in there, ride the wave and all of them something there. Alright, so they're supposed to have a book now. We're supposed to be like a SBL book, SH and I think ST. Okay, so them should have pictures in it. So if them have the picture and them also them have stone. No, stamp. Oh, this is a stamp. This stool. Nasty. And this shoe. Alright, for this now, I really love this because you can see the child's effort. Alright, somebody did come. So in addition to talk about this one now. Nasty. This one now, I really love this because you can see the child's effort in this. Him writing name. And this child in good pan him reading and stuff like so. He wrote black and you know. You see? So this one I give him team age 4 marks. So that's what's up for today. My marks some tests. Yes, miss. Thank you. Alright, so I just got another test. So I'm gonna just mark this. But I'm gonna sanitize my hand because you know you touch it and whatever yard it come from. So so sanitize it and my hand and then I'm gonna mark it and then I sanitize my hand after I finish mark it. So yeah, that's what's up. That's what I'm doing today. I did the register. I think I was saying I did the register already, and I'm supposed to get 8 in-person tests coming in today. I'm gone 4, so that remains how much? 4 more. Awesome. Yeah, so you know. Alright people, I'll come back when I have something else going on. Alright guys, so I came outside to take a mask break. So normally when I'm taking a mask break, I come all the way out to the entrance of the school, so I'm able to take off my mask, breathe fresh air, and in anybody's space. So yeah, even though sometimes when I'm in the room by myself, I do take off my mask because I'm in there by myself. Alright, so that's what's going on today. I have a few little stuff to do. I have some test papers to mark because students are taking in their test papers, and while I'm taking them in, I am just marking them. So I think this is basically a day in the life of a teacher vlog. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you guys like some clips of me marking test paper and everything where I'm throughout this entire day. So stay tuned.
It's getting harder, you turn my heart up, throw me in water. I'm getting higher, just to feel ya, cause I need to. No one knows it, heart is frozen from your poison. Taking the potion, just to feel ya, cause I miss you. Oh my God, can't stop you like heroin. My love you got, there's no settlement. I can't pretend that we're nothing. Oh, I think I'm overdosing. pretend that we're not meant. Oh, I think I'm overdosing. I think I'm overdosing. I think I'm overdosing. I think I'm overdosing. I think I'm overdosing.
Alright, so I got more work, so I'm gonna share it with you now. But I'll sanitize me on. I guys, me love touch up my face. So I'll sanitize my on, share with you now, then sanitize my on again, because I'm want to take this over my face. You know what your baby now? Alright, so you remember me that telling about somebody could have made the water transportation and make it in our make the boat like this. Somebody do it where you have like the water and the boat. I like this. Alright, so one parent are come to me for all on. I think one parent are come to me. Alright, so this is nice. They use cardboard. You can see that this is a shrine. You can see that this is a shrine child. You know? I love it. Hello. Yes. Alright, cool. So the parent wasn't really coming to me, but we had a conversation because she's having some issues in regard to accessing Google Classroom. Yeah, so what we did then know. This is another book. SHBL, let's see what this child did. You know, trying child. I'm super proud. Very trying. And see me go play in here? I totally forgot that people could make this type of plane as well. You know them, normally I saw this plane come now and show me watch. You know them, what kind of plane you call them plane here? When you out there and know the answer, now let me know. You know? Yeah. Remind me of one kite too. And the clock. This is the clock. So yeah. I have 2 more test papers to collect for today. And then go home. So listen, I really need to do something about my ear, me and my ear. You see, I pull up a wig. I don't know some wig, but it's when lazy is concerned. Don't want to come here, don't want to do nothing. I need to do better. I need to make myself better, do better. And last night I ordered I think it's 4 bundles of hair. I either make one wig or make a sew it in. You see, I go do sewing and get one closure doing so. I'm gonna go one official hairdresser to do this because I'm going to use it for Mother's Day, and Mother's Day is coming up, and I kind of have a little plan for Mother's Day. So one little boy if he come, he no come. What his name again? Me wait for him. I know say I printed test in get, so yeah. So that's what's going on right now, people. So we're still there. And look at updates. I'm gonna let you know. Alright, so I touch up with something with them. But before I sanitize my hand, it's just so hard to maintain the COVID protocols on yourself and feel like a boy. And he married me mine. I don't even know his name. See me? Yeah man, he little crocus bag always like up. Alright, so I'm gonna just put these in the bag right here, just storing them, all of them in the bag here, write them names on it, and I'll store them in a bag. Alright, so one more test left to come now after this little one come. How much you normally carry? You normally carry 2, so I think that's it. And I just mark them and then I think they make a meeting. Soon come back. So as I said before, so me get one more test, so I only have one more to go. So I'm gonna mark this quick and just add it to the pile over there. So alright. Okay, so we're about to end out this video. This was the day in the life of a teacher with Dominique, Tash, whatever I know me as. So this is where I'm gonna end out this video. Leaving work today, but I did not get all the paper. I'm missing, I think it's 2, but them said I never received no paper. Those students said they never received no paper. I don't know how true that is, but Micheal and the Pitney said they received none. So if they don't receive none, I can't tell them to come collect it now when I'm actually leaving to go home. So this is where I'm going to end out this video. If you haven't subscribed, make sure to go ahead to subscribe, like this video, share it, tell a friend to tell a friend, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye bye.